What does it really take to keep great people in manufacturing? Well, have to tell you, it's not pizza parties, it's not slogans. Real retention is built on culture, everyday actions, not posters in the break room. I'm Lisa Ryan, and I'm joining you at the IFI Fall Meeting in Louisville this October to share the 6 gears of gratitude. This is a practical framework for building a workplace where people don't want to leave. We're going to get really clear on what drives engagement, where communication breaks down, and how leadership can create the kind of loyalty that lasts across generations, shifts, and market swings. So, if you're tired of turnover and ready to anchor excellence in your culture, well, I'll see you October 13th to 14th in Louisville. Let's stop hoping people stay and give them a reason to. I'm Lisa Ryan, and I'll see you there.